Hi, in this tutorial we will see how to make billing entries of credit sales or credit refill sales. Option data entry, option refill sales, click the new button, date, bill number comes automatically. Also what comes automatically is this tick in the cash box, which we need to untick because it's a credit sales, and thereafter we need to select the party to whom we are selling, say for example Rajas Thali restaurant. Now how to create this party master is already shown in the previous one of the previous tutorials as to how to create account master. You may kindly refer that. Now we move on to add the item. The item most probably will be commercial 19 kg cylinder. You may or may not add select the delivery man. Quantity, let's say for example 5, enter. Now we also have a provision of giving discount. Let's say if the discount is 100 rupees per cylinder, and if there are 5 cylinder, then we have to click this. There is an inbuilt calculator. If we say 100 rupees discount multiplied by 5 cylinder is equal to, it comes 500 rupees. You can calculate here, enter, and the discount will appear automatically. The GST rates are which are applicable over here is on the discounted value, that is rate less discount. You click save and save the entry. You can print this invoice. As usual, this invoice will print it on an A4 size with customer copy and office copy. Name of the customer, 19 kg cylinder, 5 quantity, rate, discount, amount, GST, and total amount, grand total over here. Now an important observation is that in the previous all cash sales we had cash memo. In this case, since it's a credit sales, it's a credit memo. You can print this invoice. Alternately, you can mail this invoice also to your customer by keying in his email ID. Now let's see what is the effect of this particular entry in reports. Option reports, option group ledger. In group ledger, you need to select sundry debtors and say show report. You will find all the customers to whom we supply in credit. Now if we try to track today's entry, from date to date, show report, you will find this today's entry for Rajas Thali restaurant. There is a debit entry of the sales, and if we double click on this, we will come to the ledger statement, that is the individual ledger statement of Rajas Thali restaurant. Now here you will see the opening balance is having a credit balance of 3000 rupees. That means he has paid in advance 3000 rupees. Now there is a sale of 5250, and the closing balance, that is a debit balance, will be 2250. Well, with this we are through with the tutorial of credit sales to commercial parties. Thanks for your time.